Hello everyone, welcome to African Food. I hope everybody is well. Today we are going to make cassava dough and we are going to soak our hominy corn for our corn dough. Yeah, that's it. This is it. So we have our two cassavas here. We're going to peel it, take the skin off, chop it into small pieces, blend it, and then we show you. So I have cut in the cassava. Now I'm going to peel the skin off. This is how you do it. I'm sure you know how to peel cassava. This is it. Sometimes you can get stubborn ones, but this one is alright to take out. So I'm going to take all of them out like that. The second one. And the cassava is a bit stubborn. That's it. So we have peeled our cassava, cut it into small pieces. Now we're going to add this into our blender, a Ninja blender. If you're making your cassava dough at home, please make sure you have a very sharp knife blender. Otherwise, you can use one of those, a grater. You can use that as well. That's good as well. Can use that, but for me I'm using this blender here, so I'm going to add everything in there. Make sure you wash your cassava first here. Okay, add all that, and now I'm going to add a bit of water into it for the blending to be easy. About 2 cups of water in there. I'm going to blend this. So after finished blending, this is how it looks like. So we're going to use our cheesecloth here, and I'm going to put the cassava in and stir everything in there and try and squeeze the water out of it. Let's see. Oh, look at how much water we have. Oh, look at that. Oh, I like this thing. It's doing the job. It's doing it for me. I'm not doing nothing. Look at that. Okay. Let's squeeze all the water out of it. Continue squeezing until there's no more water. So I have finished squeezing the water out of it, liquid water, whatever. So I am going to leave it here in this bowl here. This is how it looks like. So I'm going to leave it out for 2 to 3 days for it to ferment, just the way I like it. And then I will show you when it's done. So for our corn, we did not find the Ghana one, so this is what we have. Normally I used this before and it's really good, so I'm going to use it today for you guys to see. It's really nice as well. So I'm going to put water in there. I have about 5, let's say 10 cups of water in here. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of these particles on top of it here. So I'm going to cover this, leave it for 2 days, and then when it's soaked properly, a day or 2. Yeah, then I'll blend it and I'll show you this one as well. So it has been 3 days now, you can tell. Yeah, the corn's been soaked for 3 days. I originally said that I was going to soak it for 2 days, but I ended up soaking it for 3 days. So now I'm going to take the water out, drain the water, and blend the corn for you to see. This is it. I have drained the water, everything. So now I'm going to add this into my blender. And I'm adding half a cup of water into it to blend it. So now closing. I'm going to blend it and I'll show you. So we finish blending the corn. Look at that. Isn't it not beautiful? And blend it. So we soaked it for 3 days. We blend it with half a cup of water. Now I'm putting it into this container and leaving it out for 2 to 3 days to ferment. I say so. This is it. So you can make your own. If you don't have the corn from Ghana, you can buy the one that I showed you earlier on the video. You can buy some, soak it, and blend it. Have a good blender and blend yours. So now I'm going to close this and leave it outside to ferment. That's it. Airtight. And leave it somewhere warm, a bit warm, not too warm. Yeah, a dry place. Next is the corn dough. This is our corn dough. Now we end up putting it in a cloth for 3 days as well. And now it has fermented properly, a proper corn dough. So I'm going to add this also, leave it in my zip bag here, and put it in my freezer. Wherever I want to do my banku, I'll take it and do it with it. Okay. That's it. And zip it. Close it nicely. See? That's it. This is our kondo. Yeah, for our banku. That's it. So, I hope this was helpful to you. Please do try. Let me know. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you soon. Bye.